kita nak unbox keyboard. Aku actually nak upgrade aku punya current keyboard, which is the Keycaps V4 to an aluminium keyboard. This is it, the Monsgeek M7W. Aku tak sangka dia include tape untuk tape mod, tape untuk force break mod, also dia datang dengan cold cable sendiri. All three of that tu rubbish yang terbaik lah. Stay tuned for the build video. I'm excited tu. Hey guys, so hari ni kita nak build my new keyboard and I have all the stuff right here. So the to-do list untuk keyboard ni, force break mod, and aku nak keluarkan semua foam. Stabilizers aku takkan sentuh sebab based on the reviews, the default stabilizers dah gila okay. So nak buat force break mod dulu, which is aku letak tape on the mounting hole. Okay, now onto the PCB. Look at those gaskets. My first gasket keyboard lah. So the plate is a PC plate, polycarbonate. So kenapa aku decide untuk buang semua foam? Sebab aku lebih prefer the clacky sound signature. So aku dah pasang semua gasket and now pictures. So this is the Everglide wall Pansy Tactile. Nak try Tactile pula.
2,000 years later.
Berwarna-warni kau. Sebab switch aku tak cukup.
It's usually best towards the top 5 and 4 HDT, but if you want with here the difference between screw and PDT.
Semua dah dipasang, dah di-screw. Time for the finale, the Keycaps. So this is the HMI HANGUL Korean Keycaps red.
Anyway,
6.5 hours later.
Finally the keyboard dah siap. Cantik tau. So that has been the full build and excited for this to be my daily driver keyboard. And guys, thank you for watching. And aku akan post the sound video separately. Okay.